In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right into it. To start this process, you'll need to open Printful and sign in to your account. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free. It's super easy. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by the Printful dashboard, which is packed with features to help you manage your print-on-demand store effectively. The next step is quite straightforward. Look for the Chair Stores section in the dashboard. It might take a moment to find, depending on how familiar you are with the interface. But don't worry. It's all part of the journey. When you're in the Tick and Stores area, you'll see an option that says Add Store. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this is where things can get a little tricky. You'll notice that you have several options available for store integrations. In the search bar, type in Gumroad. But here's the catch. Gumroad won't appear as a supported direct integration option. That's because Printful and Gumroad don't have a built-in connection that allows for direct linking. Now, don't let this discourage you. There are alternative ways to sell your Printful products through Gumroad. Since you can't directly connect the two platforms, your best bet is to explore a third-party automation service. Many sellers have found success using tools like Zapier, which facilitates connections between different apps and services, allowing them to communicate seamlessly. In this case, you'd set up a workflow that automates the order flow between Printful and Gumroad. It does involve some setup, but once it's in place, it can save you a lot of time and streamline your processes. For those who prefer a more manual approach, you can always opt for a manual order workflow. Essentially, this means that when someone places an order on your Gumroad page for a Printful product, you'll need to manually enter that order into Printful. While this method does require a little more effort, it affords you the flexibility to review each order before it gets processed. Just make sure to keep track of orders and sync everything accurately so you can maintain a positive customer experience. If you decide to go with the manual order workflow, it's advisable to keep a well-organized order tracking system in place, perhaps through spreadsheets or a project management tool. This way, you can monitor which orders have been fulfilled and ensure timely order processing. Now, as you're navigating this process, remember that both Printful and Gumroad have great support resources. So, if you ever get stuck or have specific questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service or consult their help sections. They are usually quite responsive and can provide additional insights to help you make the most out of both platforms. In conclusion, while Printful and Gumroad may not integrate directly, there are effective workarounds to set up your print-on-demand business using both. Whether you choose a third-party automation service or a manual workflow, each method has its pros and cons. If you have any questions about what we've discussed today, or if you want further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, if you found this information valuable, please give us a like and consider subscribing for more helpful content. Happy selling, and I wish you the best of luck in your print-on-demand